Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in your Volvo V90 key. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then slide the mechanical key out from its slot. Next, you will need a small, flat tool, like a thin screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Carefully insert the tool into the small gap where the mechanical key was and gently pry the two halves of the key fob apart. This will expose the internal components. Once the key fob is open, you will see the small, round coin cell battery. Most Volvo V90 keys use a CR2032 battery. Take a moment to note which side is facing up, usually the positive side. Using a small, non-metallic tool, like a plastic spudger or even a fingernail, carefully lift the old battery out of its compartment. Avoid using metal tools to prevent short-circuiting or damaging the contacts. Dispose of the old battery responsibly. Now it's time to install your new battery. Make sure you have a fresh CR2032 3-volt coin cell battery. These are widely available. Carefully place the new battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Gently press down on the battery until it clicks securely into its holder. Double-check that it is seated correctly and not loose. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them together firmly until you hear and feel them click securely into place all around the edges. Finally, slide the mechanical key back into its housing until it locks. Now, head to your vehicle and test all the key's functions, like locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure everything is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.